This is the Piper PA-24 Comanche from the early 1950s. We designed this to give a trainer an easy-to-build experience with the joy of flying scale model airplane. Hey guys, welcome back to Skyclan RC. So today we are back with another DIY airplane. It's the Piper PA-24 Comanche. As usual, free build plans are posted in our forums. You can always download it from there, and also you can support us by getting the pre-laser cut kit from our online store. All necessary links are linked below in the description box. It's an all-foam aircraft with hobby-grade plywood for motor mount and servo mounts. We design all airplanes to suit the commonly available electronics and materials. Even this airplane suits the commonly available 1000 kV motor and 9 gram servos. All our designs are only based on the 1400 kV and the 1000 kV most affordable available motors and servos. You can buy all these affordable electronics from your local hobby store, or always you can check all the electronics from our online store as well. All are linked below in the description. So Piper Comanche is a very beautiful looking scale aircraft. It's easy to build and easy to fly. This airplane has also some trainer capabilities. We don't recommend for a beginner, but if you're an intermediate pilot trying out to do a scale flying, this is a perfect airplane for you. So now let's fly the Piper Comanche.
Now let's build the Piper Comanche. Make sure you tape one side of the Depron sheet. First, cut out all the parts as in the plan and do necessary single and double bevel cuts. Now, take two nose doublers and glue it, aligning the aerofoil slots. Take the bulkhead 1 and glue it in the slot, and also glue the bulkhead 2. Stack the two motor Depron mounts and glue it in the slot given. Now glue the top side fuselage walls together. Also glue the motor mounts to the walls. Now take the nose bottom hatch and give it a curve using a table edge and glue it in place. Now take the vertical and horizontal stabilizer and do single and double bevel cuts.
I wanna know what nobody knows. I wanna go where nobody goes. I lost my way, but I found my fighter.
Now insert the horizontal stabilizer in the slot and glue it firmly. Also glue the vertical stabilizer in place. Also do the same curve to the windshield and nose top hatch. So now we are done with the fuselage. Now let's build the wing. Do double bevel cuts to the folding leading edge of the wing. Take the wooden spar and stick in between the Depron spar and glue it firmly. Now insert the Depron spar in the slot given in the wing section and glue it firmly. Now fold the center section of the wing and glue it. Also do the same for the other parts. Now take the two wing skins which is separately given and tape it to the wing, and then do bevel cuts where they meet and then glue it. You can simply glue the wing and use some rubber bands to fasten the wings. Installing the servos are quite simple. You can watch our previous videos.